Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the latest release from Infinix, the Hot 50i. This device was launched quietly in Kenya, following the silent debuts of the Infinix Smart 9 and Hot 54G. So, what's the buzz about this new phone? Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the price and availability. The Infinix Hot 50i is listed on a Kenyan e-commerce site for KSH 14,000, which is roughly Rs. 9,129. It's also been spotted in Malaysia for RM 399, around Rs 7,830. These prices are for the 6 plus 128 GB model. There's a good chance it'll hit other markets soon, including India. But keep in mind, it might be a bit pricier in India considering the Infinix Hot 40i sells for Rs 9,480 on Amazon over there. Now let's dive into the specs and features. On the front, you'll find a 6.7-inch LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate, HD plus resolution, and 500 nits peak brightness. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 chipset. You have options for 4GB or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. And yes, there's a dedicated card slot for extra storage. The battery is a solid 5000 mAh paired with an 18W charger to keep you going throughout the day. In terms of design, the phone features flat sides, a punch-hole display, a thick chin, and a rectangular camera island. It's 8.1 mm thick and weighs 184 grams. Speaking of cameras on the back, there's a 48MP main camera and an unspecified secondary sensor. You can shoot FHD videos at 30 FPS with the rear camera. On the front for selfies, you get an 8MP sensor. Just for comparison, the Hot 40i has a 50MP plus 0.08MP dual rear camera setup and a 32MP front camera. For connectivity, the Hot 50i has a USB-C port, Bluetooth 5.3, dual SIM VoLTE, a headphone jack, and Wi-Fi AC. So what's new on the Infinix Hot 50i compared to the Hot 40i? Well, this one boasts a slightly bigger and smoother 120Hz display, Android 14-based XOS 14.5 out of the box, a slightly faster CPU, and IP54 water and dust resistance. That's it for the Infinix Hot 50i. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with a solid set of features, this might be the one for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one.